Are you scared to wash houses because you're worried the customer might blame you for damage? Most new guys message me the same thing. How do I use bleach around plants without killing them? What do I do if the runoff hits the grass? What ratio do I use? What chemicals do I need? And the biggest one, how do I even apply it? I get it, you're not trying to burn a lawn and eat the cost, you're just trying to level up your business, but nobody's shown you how to do it safely. The truth is, you don't need a $3,000 soft wash setup. If you've got a basic pressure washer, all you need is an X-Jet. It pulls your chemical mix from a bucket, so nothing harsh runs through your pump. To protect the yard, just soak the plants with water before and after you apply your mix. Bleach, water, a little surfactant, and you're washing houses in minutes. If you want to break into soft washing the right way, DM me and I'll walk you through everything you need.